Welcome YouTube creators and aspiring viral video experts. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of trending keywords and learn how to analyze them step by step. Understanding these keywords is key to unlocking YouTube's success and maximizing your video's reach. So, let's get started. First, let's define what trending keywords are. These are the words and phrases that are currently popular and highly searched by YouTube users. They can change rapidly, reflecting the interests and demands of the online community. By leveraging trending keywords, you can create content that aligns with what people are searching for, increasing your chances of going viral. Step 1 is conducting keyword research. There are various tools available, like Google Trends and YouTube's own search suggestions, that can help us identify trending keywords. Let's start with Google Trends. Simply enter a topic or a keyword related to your video idea, and Google Trends will show you its search popularity over time. Here, you can see the search interest graph for a specific keyword. Pay attention to the spikes and drops, as they indicate when a keyword is trending. You can also compare multiple keywords to identify which one has the highest search volume. Another powerful tool for keyword research is YouTube search suggestions. When you start typing a keyword in the YouTube search bar, it automatically suggests popular search queries related to that keyword. These suggestions can give you valuable insights into what people are searching for on the platform. Take note of the most relevant and frequently appearing suggestions. These are the keywords you should consider targeting in your video. Step 2 is analyzing keyword analytics. Once you've identified a list of potential trending keywords, it's important to understand their performance metrics. This will help you gauge their competitiveness and potential impact on your video's visibility. Many keyword research tools provide analytics on search volume, competition level, and related metrics. For example, you can see how often a keyword is searched for, the level of competition from other videos, and the overall trend in popularity. Step 3 is developing your keyword strategy. Based on the data you've gathered, it's time to make informed decisions about the keywords you'll use in your video. Aim for a balance between high search volume and manageable competition. Look for keywords that are on the rise or have consistent popularity. Create a keyword strategy document or spreadsheet where you can track your selected keywords, along with their search volume and competition level. This will help you stay organized and focused on optimizing your video's chances of going viral. Step 4 is optimizing your video's metadata. Now that you have your list of trending keywords, it's time to strategically incorporate them into your video's title, description, and tags. Craft a compelling title that includes your primary keyword while also piquing viewers' interest. Make sure your description provides a clear and concise summary of your video's content, incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Lastly, add tags that reflect the trending keywords you've identified, helping YouTube's algorithm understand the context of your video. Step 5 is promoting your video using trending keywords. Now that your video is optimized, it's time to spread the word and attract viewers. One effective way is to incorporate trending keywords in your promotional efforts. Use these keywords in your video's thumbnail, social media posts, and video descriptions when sharing it across different platforms. This will increase your video's discoverability and engagement. Remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments and utilizing trending keywords in your replies. This will show viewers that you're actively involved and knowledgeable about the topics they are interested in. Step 6 is monitoring and tracking your video's performance. After publishing your video, keep a close eye on its analytics. Look for insights on views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement. This data will help you understand which keywords are driving the most success and allow you to refine your future content strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords and analyze their impact on your video's performance. This ongoing analysis and optimization will help you stay ahead of trends and continue to create content that resonates with your audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to analyzing trending keywords. By conducting thorough research, strategically incorporating keywords into your metadata, promoting your video effectively, and monitoring its performance, you can increase your chances of creating viral content on YouTube. Remember, staying on top of trending keywords is an ongoing process. Continuously analyze, adapt, and experiment to keep your content fresh and relevant. Now, go out there and create videos that capture the attention of millions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.